Ladies and gentlemen, buckle up for a virtual journey to the sun-soaked shores of the Dominican Republic, where we'll be exploring the luxurious oasis that is Hyatt Zilara Cap Cana. This adults-only paradise is nestled in the exclusive gated community of Cap Cana, offering a slice of heaven for those seeking a sophisticated escape. Let's start our tour with the accommodations, shall we? Hyatt Zilara Cap Cana boasts an impressive array of suites that'll make you feel like royalty. Picture this. You're lounging in your spacious 600-square-foot junior suite, sipping a cocktail from your complimentary minibar while gazing out at the crystal-clear Caribbean Sea from your private balcony. Sounds dreamy, right? But wait, there's more. For those who want to take luxury up a notch, the resort offers swim-up suites with direct access to a semi-private pool. Talk about making a splash. And if you're feeling extra fancy, the club oceanfront one-bedroom master suite is calling your name. With a whopping 1,238 square feet of space, a separate living room, and a private hot tub on the balcony, you might never want to leave your room. But trust me, you'll want to explore what else this resort has to offer. Now, let's talk about the most important part of any vacation, the food. Hyatt Zilara Cap Cana is a culinary paradise that'll have your taste buds doing the cha-cha. The Mercado and the Pier are the resort's main buffet restaurants, offering a smorgasbord of Caribbean, American, and European cuisines. But if you're in the mood for something a little more intimate, fear not. The resort boasts a variety of themed restaurants that'll take you on a gastronomic world tour. Fancy some French Polynesian fusion? They've got you covered. Craving some spicy Indian delights? Say no more. And for those romantic evenings, there's nothing quite like dining at the oceanfront restaurant, where you can feast on fresh seafood while watching the sunset. Just remember to pack your stretchy pants, folks. You're going to need them. After all that indulgence, you might be wondering how to burn off those extra calories. Well, Hyatt Zilara Cap Cana has got you covered with its state-of-the-art fitness center. Open from 6 a.m. to 8 p.m., it's equipped with everything you need to keep your beach body in check. From cardio machines to strength training equipment, and even a TRX training area, you'll find plenty of ways to work up a sweat. And if you're not a solo workout kind of person, why not join one of the many fitness classes on offer? From yoga to Pilates to step classes, there's something for everyone. Who knows? You might even discover your hidden talent for synchronized swimming in one of the resort's infinity pools. Speaking of pools, let's dive into the aquatic offerings at Hyatt Zilara Cap Cana. The resort boasts multiple infinity pools that seem to melt into the horizon, creating a mesmerizing illusion that'll have you questioning reality. But wait, there's more. For those who like a little adventure with their relaxation, there's a water park complete with a lazy river and slides. It's like being a kid again, but with the added bonus of cocktails. And let's not forget the swim-up bars, because nothing says vacation quite like sipping a pina colada while partially submerged in water. If you prefer salt water to chlorine, the resort's pristine beach stretches for 3 glorious miles. Here, you can try your hand at kayaking, snorkeling, or paddleboarding. Or, if you're like me, you can perfect the art of professional beach lounging. Trust me, it's harder than it looks. Now, let's talk about pampering. The spa at Hyatt Zilara Cap Cana is a sanctuary of relaxation that'll have you feeling zen in no time. Inspired by the local cenotes, the spa offers a range of treatments that use local ingredients to soothe your body and soul. From massages that'll turn you into human putty to facials that'll make you glow brighter than the Caribbean sun, you'll leave feeling like a new person. And if you really want to embrace the local culture, why not try one of their signature cenote-inspired treatments? It's like taking a dip in a sacred Mayan pool, but with the added bonus of aromatherapy and a fluffy robe. The spa also features a sauna and steam room, perfect for sweating out those toxins or last night's margaritas. While Hyatt Zilara Cap Cana is an adults-only resort, that doesn't mean you can't unleash your inner child. The resort offers a plethora of activities to keep you entertained. From live performances and shows to themed nights and special events, there's always something happening. You might find yourself salsa dancing under the stars one night and watching a breathtaking acrobatic performance the next. And if you're feeling lucky, why not try your hand at the resort's casino? Just remember, what happens in Cap Cana stays in Cap Cana. Now, I know what you're thinking. This all sounds great, but what's nearby? Well, fear not, explorers. While you might be tempted to never leave the resort, and honestly, who could blame you? There's plenty to see and do in the surrounding area. Just a short 5-minute drive away is the Punta Espada Golf Course, a Jack Nicklaus signature course that's consistently ranked as one of the best in the Caribbean. Even if you're not a golf pro, the views alone are worth the trip. For you water babies out there, the Cap Cana Marina is just a 10-minute drive away. Here, you can charter a boat for some deep-sea fishing or just admire the luxury yachts while pretending you own one. And for those who want to get in touch with nature, there are several eco-parks within a 15-minute drive. You can zip line through the treetops, explore underground caves, or simply marvel at the local flora and fauna. Just watch out for those sneaky iguanas. They have a habit of photobombing your vacation pics. So, what's the verdict on Hyatt Zilara Cap Cana? Well, with an overall rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars on TripAdvisor and a whopping 9.1 out of 10 on Booking.com, it's safe to say that this resort is a crowd pleaser. Guests rave about the cleanliness, service, and location, with many calling it a paradise on earth. Of course, no resort is perfect, and some guests have mentioned that the Wi-Fi can be a bit slow at times. But hey, maybe that's just the universe telling you to disconnect and enjoy your vacation. And while some rooms might need a bit of TLC, the vast majority of guests leave feeling pampered, relaxed, and already planning their next visit. What sets Hyatt Zilara Cap Cana apart from other resorts in the area? Well, aside from its adults-only policy, sorry kiddos, it's the attention to detail and the commitment to luxury that really makes it shine. From the moment you step into your suite with its smart technology and stunning views, to your last bite of gourmet cuisine, every aspect of your stay is designed to make you feel special. The resort's location in the exclusive Cap Cana community also adds an extra layer of privacy and security, making it the perfect choice for those seeking a truly secluded getaway. While Hyatt Zilara Cap Cana might not be a corporate conference hotspot, let's face it, who wants to do PowerPoint presentations when there's a beach nearby? It does offer some impressive event facilities. The resort boasts over 45,000 square feet of meeting and event space, perfect for destination weddings, corporate retreats, or that family reunion you've been putting off for years. With state-of-the-art audio-visual equipment and a team of event planners at your disposal, you can host anything from an intimate beachfront ceremony to a grand gala dinner. Just imagine exchanging vows with the Caribbean Sea as your backdrop, or closing that big business deal while sipping cocktails by the pool. Now that's what I call mixing business with pleasure. But what really makes a stay at Hyatt Zilara Cap Cana memorable are the little touches and unexpected moments of joy. Like the time a guest mentioned it was their birthday, only to return to their room to find it decorated with balloons and a personalized cake. Or the couple who were surprised with a romantic beachside dinner under the stars, complete with their own personal chef and waiter. It's these kinds of experiences that turn a good vacation into an unforgettable one. In conclusion, Hyatt Zilara Cap Cana is more than just a resort. It's a destination in itself. Whether you're a honeymooning couple, a group of friends looking for some fun in the sun, or just someone in desperate need of some R&R, this place has got you covered. From its luxurious suites and world-class dining to its stunning beaches and endless activities, it's a slice of Caribbean paradise that'll have you coming back for seconds and thirds and fourths. So why wait? Start packing those swimsuits and sunglasses, and get ready for the vacation of a lifetime. Just don't blame me when you find yourself daydreaming about infinity pools and swim-up bars long after you've returned home. Hyatt Zilara Cap Cana, where every day feels like a perfect beach day, and the biggest decision you'll have to make is whether to have your margarita frozen or on the rocks.
Cheers to that.
For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.